We serve over 1,600 firms around the world today, and that's across a variety of industries and in markets: banking, private equity, accounting, consulting, legal. And as we've gotten to know these industries and these audiences, we realize there's tremendous overlap. Everybody works on these deals together. It's just, what angle do you come at it from? Are you representing the seller? Are you investing capital into the company? Are you doing the contracts and the documents around papering the deal inside of a law firm? Are you doing the quality of earnings, right, or due diligence work in the accounting and consulting world? And really the pipelines for each of these firms kind of all revolve around this company life cycle, right, of doing transactions. I raise growth capital, I sell my business to a strategic acquirer. If I go bankrupt, I go through a restructuring process. So it's this ecosystem that exists, and we've built features and capabilities to serve each one of those use cases. So as you think about the day-to-day of a banker or an investor, right, or professional service provider around these transactions, we've got unique dashboards, we've got accelerator templates. So when firms first start leveraging the technology, they're taking advantage of a series of best practices that exist from those thousands of clients we're already working with today. And the feature set has really become incredibly deep. There's a list of standard things that everybody uses: pipeline, deal management. Most firms are running their staffing and their resource allocation based on the data that's sitting in the system. Everybody tends to use it for CRM, the capture of notes or proprietary information for their firm that surrounds the deal or the transaction. And as we think about the different capabilities, we're spending a ton of time today on the data ingestion engines. We call it the data cortex, but it's a fancy name for our ability to go to third-party market data sources, bring those into the platform so that we can auto-enrich the company, the contacts, the information about the service providers, so that people don't have to key the information in. So that really helps with adoption. So we're spending a lot of time and effort there. And then the other kind of broader capabilities, we just acquired a company that's focused on Microsoft Teams and the SharePoint and document management systems that exist in the Microsoft ecosystem. So we're integrating that into the platform right now. So it's a very broad capability set. And I think as we look at the core use cases, source origination pipeline, the coverage models, whether you're covering bankers or companies, those are all getting tremendous adoption and usage. And I think that the next couple years are really going to be about what else can we build around that, right, to drive value for our clients and to help them be more efficient at originating and executing these transactions.